Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Giselle and I do a lot of beauty stuff. Sometimes we'll throw in some random stuff. I'm just trying to educate the world, okay, about new stuff that's out there, about how to do your makeup, make sure that you don't look crusty in front of your mans. We do a whole bunch of stuff here, so if you're interested in anything of that sort or you just think I'm so fine, wouldn't be mad if you did, make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post. And if you found this video awesome, wonderful, cute, everything, all of the above, make sure that you also like it. So what I wanted to do today is I wanted to give you guys like a holiday party friendly look, and I wanted to do it using a new product that came out. I recently did a first time ever using ColourPop video, so if you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. But I had such a great experience with everything about ColourPop. Their shipping, their packaging, all of that stuff, and the quality of the products themselves was really amazing. So I wanted to do something with this. It's the Bare Necessities palette. It recently came out, and this is a steal. I'm telling you right now, this palette is a 30 pan eyeshadow palette. It's cruelty free, and it's for $30. $30. That means $1 for each eyeshadow. Are you sick, bro? Are you sick? So I'm gonna use this and we're gonna do a cute little holiday party look. So before I get started in using this bad boy, if you're thinking about purchasing this yourself, I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch everything for you, all 30 shades. So I'm gonna be moving from left to right, starting with the first row all the way down. So the first color is Idle Hour. The next color is Indie Buff. The next color is Silk Teddy. The next color after that is On Holiday. I had to say that in a British accent. I'm pretty sure it's British. The next color is Rumored, and the last color in that row is Banter. Now moving on to the second row, we start off with Full Expose. Next color is Tease Me. Next color is The Talk. After that is Hustler. And after that is Complicated, and the last color in that row is Crack On. I'm sorry, I had to do it again. In the third row, the first color is Hot Gossip. Next is I'll Be You. I'm sorry. The next color is Designer Duds. After that is Spree. The fifth color is Act a Fool. I'm not gonna sing that ludicrous song. And then the last color is Cufflinks. Okay. So for the fourth row, the first color is Hot. Second color is Fuzzy. The third color is Tabloid. The fourth color is Genie. The fifth color is Taboo. And the last color is Dutch Process, I don't know. And then in the last row, the first color is Velveteen. The second color is Prefix. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. The third color is Stiletto. The fourth color is Rebel. The fifth color is Bubbles. And the last color is Spyglass. All right, so now that you guys have seen all the colors, what I've noticed is the mattes are pretty dry, but I mean, it's like a matte, and for the value, like I think that it's still definitely worth purchasing. Those shimmers, so pretty. They go on really, really nice. I love their shimmer formula, like favorite. I'm gonna do one eye off camera, and then I'm gonna zoom you in so you can get a little closer if you're not too nervous. And then we'll do another eye, the other eye together. I'm back, and I did my eye off camera, and she's really cute. So let's get into it. I can't wait. So on a little smudger right here, I'm gonna go into Idle Hour, and if you know me, then you know I like to do my brow bone first. So I'm gonna take that underneath here. This color is so nice. It's a nice shimmer, and I'm just gonna take that and put it underneath my eyebrow. All right, so next on a little fluffy brush, I'm just taking some of my P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I'm just gonna run that all over my eyelid. All right, so next on a little fluffy brush, I'm just gonna go in with the color Hot Gossip. It's a color that's like really close to my skin tone, so I figured that would be like a really nice color to even out my base. So I'm just gonna take Hot Gossip all the way up into Idle Hour, so that way everything kind of like meets and blends together. All right, so next on a flat shader brush, I'm gonna go in with the color Taboo, and I'm gonna just pack that color on the inner and outer corners of my eye. I'm gonna leave the middle of my lid space completely empty, right where my pupil lines up. I'm gonna leave that completely bare. Next, I'm gonna take a blending brush and I'm gonna mix between Crack On and Tabloid, and I'm just gonna run that right above where I put Taboo. Alright, so next I'm going to take an even fluffier blending brush and I'm going to go in the color Hot, and I'm going to run that above where I just blended just to add some warmth. Also guys, I totally take back what I said about the mattes. That was completely false. These mattes have like hella pigment. I barely dip my brush into this color Hot, and like obviously you can see it's like doing a lot right now. Alright, so next on my little brush here, I'm going to go into the color Revel, which is a really pretty deep metallic, and I'm going to kind of use that to blend the outer and inner corner into what is going to be the middle shimmer color. So I'm just laying that down on the outer edge of where I put down Taboo, just so that it blends everything together. Next, on like a teeny little detail brush, I'm going to wet it first. I'm just going to take like some of my Olay face mist and just spritz the brush, and then I'm going in the color Silk Teddy, which is going to be that middle shimmer color. I'm not even moving the brush left to right. I'm literally patting it down in a straight line so that it goes exactly where I want it to go, and then I'm going to diffuse as I go. I'm just pulling it to the side a little bit, blending it in with the color Revel, and now I'm just going to kind of like, not cut a crease, but I'm just going to do like a half moon shape following my actual eye socket. But I'm only using like the very tip of my brush, like the top of the brush, and that same color Silk Teddy. I'm going back in with the color Revel on the very outer edge and just making sure that everything is blended really nice. Also barely dipping in with that color Hot, and I'm just gonna blend out the little half moon that I put. Same little shader brush that I was using before, I'm gonna go into the color Hot again, and I'm running that along my bottom lash line. I'm stopping when I get to the middle. We're only doing the inner and the outer parts. Alright, so next on the top of the flat shader brush that we used for Taboo, I'm going back in that same color, Taboo, and I'm gonna run that closer to the lash line. Now same thing, flat shader going into Revel, and I'm gonna kind of touch towards the middle, and then same really teeny detailer, I'm gonna spray it, and we're going back in with Silk Teddy. This time I'm gonna put the brush going like down and I'm gonna wipe it up. It's easier for my hands, and I'm gonna put it a little bit below where everything is. Like you see on this eye how like the shimmer kind of like starts down here. That's where I'm gonna start this as well. And I'm just wiping up. Alright, lastly, I'm just going to do some finishing touches. I do notice that Taboo needs to be a little bit darker right here, so we're definitely going to make that happen. I'm just tapping some in with my shader brush. Alright, next I'm going in with some black cream eyeliner. I'm just only going to concentrate that on the outside and the inside, and I'm going to leave the middle where the shimmer is bare, no eyeliner. So it should look something like this when you're done. Alright, so next, I'm pretty much done with the eyes. I'm just going to put on some mascara and some lashes. I will also add on my highlighter and blush. And then we'll come back and we'll do lips together. I got some more ColourPop products that are new, fresh out the box. So if you want to see some lips, stay tuned. 1 second, please. Thank you. Alright, so I figured we'd take this whole look all the way with ColourPop. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my lips with all ColourPop products. When I bought this palette, I wanted to go ahead and also try their lippies and stuff, and they just had a really awesome sale for Black Friday. So I got their lip pencil for like $5 and their lipstick for like $5. So this is in the color BFF2, and I'm just going to take it and line my lips. I'm just going to overline in case somebody cute wants to kiss me under the mistletoe. You know what I'm saying, girl? Alright, so next I'm going to take their lipstick, and I know I'm going to sound stupid. I don't know if it's like La Lady or LA Lady. I'm pretty sure it's LA Lady because they're based out in LA. But I'm just going to put that on the outer corners of my lips. Alright, so next I'm going to take the color Beeper by ColourPop. It's like their liquid lipstick, and I'm going to put that on top of everything. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and I'm super happy with everything and how it turned out. The quality of the eyeshadows is super, super great. I definitely would say that it's worth picking this palette up. You can't beat it with a long stick. $30, 30 awesome shadows. Even the mattes ended up coming through for you, girl. I was a little nervous at first. And the lip products, super love them. They came out really nice. The liquid lip I already had before, but everything else went on super smooth, very comfortable. Overall, I definitely see myself wearing this to a holiday party. So I don't know how you feel, but it's really pretty. And it's also easy for you to do. So definitely, if you recreate this look, let me know. If you are feeling anything, you want to tell me how cute I am, anything that you want to let me know, make sure to leave it down in the comments. Also, if you like this video, you found it helpful, make sure that you like this video and subscribe for more. I'm not playing with you. If I find out that you didn't subscribe to me, I'm gonna tell your crush that you like him. I'm gonna tell on you, okay? Don't do this. Make sure that you subscribe. Also, make sure that you hit that notification bell every time that I post. So as soon as you see the little bloop, G-Beauty, make sure that you open up that app. Check me out, because you know you want to see all of this. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I absolutely adore you guys. Thank you for tuning in to your girl, and I'll see you on the next one, which is gonna be soon. Because you already know how I do. I'm regular. Like a period, like a good period. You know what I mean? I'll see you later. Listen, girl, if you were offended that I just said regular like a good period, don't lie. Because if your shit's not regular, then you'd be like, oh, you know you like that jump? I'm funny, bro. Have a good night, Mom.